Hey guys, welcome to Maker Monday. And as you saw a few weeks ago, Miss Heather made ice cream using an ice cream churn. Well, we know not everyone has an ice cream churn. So we're going to show you how to make some ice cream with a couple of plastic bags and some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Okay? So what you're going to need is you're going to use the small bag, and this is what your ingredients are going to go in. Okay? So we're going to use this recipe, and we will post it down below so that you guys can see it. But you're going to need 2 sandwich bags, a big one and a small one, half a cup of milk, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and it says 2 trays of ice. We don't use ice trays here, so we just have a bag of ice. We're going to eyeball it till it looks right. Basically, you just want to make sure there's enough ice in the bag that it's going to solidify into ice cream. And then 6 tablespoons of salt, and then you can add in toppings like chocolate chips or anything else. This just says salt, so if all you have is table salt, you should be okay. We have ice cream salt still, so we're gonna probably just use the ice cream salt. So Miss Heather, you want to start? Sure. Your half a cup of milk. All right, and we'll do vanilla. What, half a teaspoon. All right, and then you also need 1.5 tablespoons. So we only have a half, so you get 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, you get to zip yours up. Then we'll make mine, and then we'll add our ice and shake. Now that we have our mixture ready, you see how fast that was. Probably even faster to you guys because we sped it up. But we're going to add in some ice and our salt to our big bag. There's a really big piece in there. So that's about 3 cups of ice.
Yes.
So if you're doing this without ice trays, about 3 cups of ice. You're not going to use the measuring.
And so 6 tablespoons of salt.
That's a half tablespoon.
I know.
Okay.
I counted.
This one I did a little bit more because there were some
Chunky pieces in there.
yeah.
I'm gonna eyeball now. Here, there's not much salt left.
Okay.
There.
All
Okay.
right. All right. So
I'm gonna try to mix my sugar
yeah,
up really
that's
good.
That's what I was sitting here doing. I saw a big clump of sugar. I also put chocolate chips in mine because it says you can add toppings if you want. So if you have like edible cookie dough at home, you could probably throw that in there. Or if you like, pecans or something in there. And we're just mixing our sugar in.
So in our bag, we'll go over what we have again. We have a half cup of milk, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar is what we have in our bag.
And salt, I have chocolate chips.
Yes, a bag.
Alright, so you're going to set it down in here. Kind of get the ice around it. And then you're going to zip it up. Oh, you don't let it.
And it says shake continuously for 10 minutes. We're about to see how much shake we have.
All right. halfway. And you have about the consistency of soft serve.
Yeah, I would say.
So you could keep going if you wanted, you know, a little bit tougher ice cream, or if you really like soft serve, you could eat it now. Should we, for the purpose of the video, do a full 10 minutes? All right, so we're gonna put this back in and we're gonna keep going.
Should we put more ice in it?
I think so. We're gonna add more ice because ours is pretty melted. That's what the salt does.
The cost of my hands. We'll add more ice.
You think just another scoop?
Probably another scoop or two.
You want another one?
No.
Is that good? That's what I thought too. All right. You ready?
Yes.
Woo! Wow. All right. Well, due to bag leakage, we're stopping. But we have a good soft serve. And it really only took about 6 minutes, 7 minutes. I'm gonna grab a couple paper towels
Okay.
and spoons. All right. Spoon for you and a paper towel. Yeah, mine's pretty solid too.
Yeah.
So, all right, taste test. Good. That is good. All right, so we hope you guys enjoyed this quick how to make ice cream at home. The things you probably already have, and not have to do a whole batch and use an ice churn or an ice cream churn. So
Yes.
with that, we'll see you guys next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye.